Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get this unsecured credit card for any credit score. Yes, you have heard it right. It doesn't matter that your credit is bad, poor, or worst in the world, you will still get this credit card if you apply for it. But remember that it is an unsecured credit card, so what it means that you don't have to give anyone a single penny and you will get a credit card like a traditional credit card. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here is an amazing opportunity right in front of you. Yes, this card is specifically for the people who are going through a rebuilding phase in their credit. And remember that if you are the one who's actually trying to build your credit, and at the same time if you are the one who's really fresh into the credit, then this is an amazing opportunity for you. I know that we all make mistakes when it comes to credit. Sometimes it's because of the loan, not paying the credit card on time, or anything else, but don't worry about it. On Credit Viral channel we have a lot of opportunities for you, and very soon I'm coming up with a course which will help you to build your credit. And you know in how much time? Just in a month. Yes, you can do that. You can raise your score from 450 to 680 just in a month. Yes, you have heard it right. So I'm coming up with a course very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we launch the course for you. And so without wasting any time, let's see that what are the perks and the upsides and the downsides of this credit card and what this financial institution has to offer. So you can actually see it as a lifeline, and what I mean by lifeline, as you can say, they say enjoy the buying power of the Fit MasterCard. Yes, it's a MasterCard. And one thing I really like about when it comes to MasterCard, that if you buy any phone with your MasterCard, the phone insurance is covered. So if you lose your phone or it's got stolen or something, you're gonna get your phone back. So this is an amazing opportunity. So right here, this is an unsecured card and they give you an initial limit of $400 regardless of your credit. Yes, this is an amazing opportunity. So let me just tell you first the difference between a secured and an unsecured card. As you can see right here, they are giving you a credit limit of $400 without you giving a single penny to them. Yes, it sounds strange, right? So yes, there are two sort of cards, secured and unsecured. So secured card, let me just talk about what is secured card first. For example, you go to a bank such as Wells Fargo Bank. You went there and you say that, hey, my credit is really bad, I'm not able to get approved for any credit cards, but I still need a credit card so I can build my credit history, and then you can report my payments every month to the credit bureau, and then it will build the credit score. So now what they will ask for, they will actually ask for a security deposit. For example, like you can say, let's see, right, $400. So the Wells Fargo Bank would ask you for $400, you give them $400, and then on the basis of that $400 they will give you a credit card with the limit of $400. So technically it's your own money. But right here, an unsecured card, you don't have to give a single penny to anyone, and if you get approved they will give you a credit card with automatically $400 in it. So yes, so remember, I always tell you, always pay your credit cards bills on time. And the great thing about this one as well, they give you an initial limit of $400, and most of the credit cards, like the credit cards which actually helps you to build your credit, they give either 300 or 350, but they give a very generous one right here. The second one is potential credit limit increases after every 6 months. Yes, they actually review your account after every 6 months for the credit limit increase, and they will do that, so keep that in mind. The third one is enjoy peace of mind with zero fraud liability. Of course, if someone uses your card without your permission, or if you've become a victim of a fraud or something, then of course they will never ask you to pay anything, and they will actually cover that for you. So this is an amazing opportunity. And the last one, of course, what you all are been waiting for, is that they do report to all three major credit bureaus such as TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So yes, they do that. So a couple of things that I want to tell you right here. As you can see that they say that the initial credit limit is 400, potential credit limit increase after every 6 months, enjoy peace of mind with zero liability, and monthly reporting to all credit bureaus. But they do give you an opportunity to actually see your credit score and the change in your credit score every month. So what exactly happens is that they have an app, and in their app they have a tool where you can check your credit score. Yes, a lot of financial institutions actually are offering this feature. But the great thing about this as well, as you know, that the payment history is a very major part of your credit report. So when you actually pay them every month, so never ever carry balance, especially on this credit card. So whenever you do that, what they do exactly, the credit reporting agency, they see that, hey, you are paying your bills on time, so it will help you to raise your score. So keep that in mind, and then you can actually see that how much is your credit score affected, and it's going up or down. If it's going up, then you are eligible to apply for more credit products such as loans and lines of credit and other sort of financial products. And remember that on Credit Viral channel we post a lot of videos, a lot of content which helps you to actually get loans, credit lines, credit cards with no credit check. So please subscribe to the channel, and please like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So right here, as you can see that they have a pretty good rating when it comes to Trustpilot. Yes, they have 4.8 rating, and that's a pretty cool one, because you know, of course, they are pretty trustworthy when it comes to this. So now let's see what are the things this card has to offer, and now I'm going to show you the application and how you are going to fill it. I'm going to paste the link below in the video description. You can click on it and open the application and fill it out, you know, exactly how I'm showing you. And remember that I'm also posting some links where you can get some free money using some other services, so please check them out. So right here, as you can see, this is the application right in front of you, right? So all they require is your first name, is your last name, your email address, your zip code, your if you have a checking account. It's actually great. If you do, then it actually increase the odds of acceptance. So right here they say that all credit types are welcome. As I already told you, initial credit limit of $400 subject to available credit. See rates, fees, costs, and limitations. Yes, there's a catch in it, so I'm just gonna tell you in a bit. They do report to all three major credit bureaus. It's fast and easy application. You can use it everywhere because it's a MasterCard, and of course you can always access your account 24/7 online as well. So the one that they're saying, the subject to available credit, yes, right here. So if you are approved, then the applicants are required to pay $89 processing fee. Yes, and they will deduct it from your available credit. So what it means that instead of $400, you will be getting around $311. So keep that in mind. So $89 is the processing fee. So that's why they approve most of the people, because they get $89 for nothing. You know what I mean. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So please like this video. It helps the channel grow, and at the same time it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.